In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio from ElevenLabs directly to your device in just one click. Whether it's a new file you've just created or an audio piece from your library, I've got you covered with these simple and effective steps. Let's start with downloading a newly generated audio file. Once you've used ElevenLabs to create your speech, a download button will appear conveniently located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your cue to act quickly. All you need to do is click that download button. It's designed to make the process as seamless as possible, ensuring that your audio is instantly ready for you to use. Now, let's explore how we can retrieve previously generated audio files. First, you'll want to head over to the History tab. This tab acts as your personal storage area within ElevenLabs, keeping track of all your audio creations. Once you're in your History tab, you'll see a list of your previously generated files. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific file you'd like to download. After you've found the file you need, look for the download icon that accompanies it. This icon is your key to saving the audio to your device. Click on this icon and you're given a choice. You can save the file as an MP3 or a WAV. Both formats have their advantages depending on what you plan to do with the audio. MP3 files are great for general use, offering a smaller size that's easy to share and play on most devices. On the other hand, WAV files are larger but provide a higher quality sound, which might be more suitable for professional projects where clarity is essential. Remember, managing your audio files efficiently can make a big difference in your workflow. Whether you're working on a professional project or just keeping your media collection organized, understanding how to quickly download and store your files ensures that your creative process remains smooth and uninterrupted. To recap, for an immediate download of a newly generated file, simply hit that download button in the bottom right corner as soon as you see it. For those older files, jump into your History tab, find what you need, and choose your preferred format when you click that download icon. Thanks for following along today. I hope this guide helps you streamline your download process with ElevenLabs. If you have any other questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to check out our other tutorials or contact support for help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your creative journey.